If you've ever tried running an anime content channel, you already know the problem. You want to talk about your favorite series, break down a character, or react to a big moment, but the second you use actual anime clips, you are rolling the dice on a copyright strike. Some creators lose entire videos overnight because of it. It's honestly one of the most frustrating parts of building a channel in this niche. So what if you could get that exact anime look and feel without touching a single copyrighted clip? This is exactly what Vexub's anime movie video style does. Instead of pulling real footage from existing shows, the style generates original anime-inspired visuals that match your script. Same energy, same aesthetic, zero copyright risk. Dramatic character shots, stylized backgrounds, that unmistakable anime motion, but built entirely fresh for your video. Think about the kind of content this opens up. Anime power scaling debates, character love breakdowns, top 10 strongest anime villains, original anime-style story narration, all of it now visually represented in a style your audience already loves without a single takedown risk hanging over your head. Let's get into the dashboard and set this up. Click create video, choose text to video and select your format, and then pick a narrator or skip this step as you are making a faceless content. And after that you can clone your voice or you can use an AI voice. Now generate or paste your script for the video. Once your script is finalized, you will reach the style selection step. Click video style instead of image style and select anime movie from the list. Then click start generation and Vexub will build your entire video using anime movie visuals synced automatically to your narration and subtitles. Okay, let's preview what we got.
This character faces endless solitude. Let's dive into the world of anime. Picture a hero surrounded by friends and allies, battling evil. Now meet Shinji Ikari from Neon Genesis Evangelion. He's the poster boy for loneliness. This kid pilots a giant robot but spends most of his time trapped in his thoughts. Surprisingly, he's one of the most relatable characters ever created. You think you know pain? Shinji has it on another level. He struggles to connect with others, constantly battling his own.
Here's my honest take after seeing this. The character motion actually holds up. A lot of AI generated anime attempts end up looking steep or off model, but this stayed consistent shot to shot, which is the part that usually breaks the illusion. I also like that the color and lighting shift depending on the tone of the line being narrated. A tense moment actually looks tense, not just the same flat scene the whole way through. The bigger win here honestly isn't even the visuals, it's the peace of mind. You are not gambling your channel on fair use arguments anymore. You get the anime aesthetic your audience is there for, fully original, fully yours. If you have been sitting on anime content ideas because you were worried about strikes, this feature just removed that excuse. Try it on your next anime video and let us know in the comments if the visual matched what you had in mind. If this helps, hit like, subscribe to grow with Vexub, and we'll keep going through the rest of these styles. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.